Today we'll see differentiation by using trigonometrical substitutions. Differentiation by using trigonometrical substitutions. Okay. So we have now students will revise formulae for double angle, triple angle. So one by one we'll take. For sine 2x, 2 sin x cos x. Unmute yourself. First, I will take this all formulae and then I will start with this. Sine 2x. What is sine 2x?
Ma'am, you have taken attendance.
Yes, yes, you are there now.
Ma'am, present, ma'am, present.
Yes, yes. Okay, sine 2x. Unmute yourself, boys. Unmute yourself. I'm asking you now. Sine 2x.
Ma'am, 2 sin x cos
2
x.
sin x cos x.
1 plus cos 2x.
Plus cos 2x. 2 cos square x.
2 cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x.
2 sin square x.
Okay. Sin 2x and cos 2x in the terms of tan. Sin
Ma'am,
double
cos
angle formula.
2x equal, ma'am,
Huh?
cos 2x equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x.
Yes. And just a minute, boys. And
And
sin
when sin 2x
Is equal to 2
sin
tan x
2x
is equal to
2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x.
okay. And tan 2x. Tan 2x.
2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x.
1 minus or 1 plus? Yes, 1 minus is correct. Yes. Sin 3x. Sin 3x. Sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta. बोलो जल्दी.
हम थोड़ा थोड़ा याद आ रहा है.
हाँ?
3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta.
3 sin theta minus
4 sin cube.
4 sin cube theta. Yes, very good. Now what is cos 3 theta?
4
Ma'am,
cos
4
cube
cos theta minus 3 sin 3
4 cos
cos
theta
cube theta.
minus 3 cos theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta.
4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
See, sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. और cos में हम exchange करते हैं. It is equals to cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta.
3
Correct?
cos theta.
Next, tan 3 theta. Or tan
3 tan theta minus tan cube upon
Huh?
1 minus 3 tan square theta.
3 tan theta.
3 tan theta minus tan cube theta.
Yes, very good. Upon
Tan cube theta
huh?
upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta.
Yes, yes, very good, very good. Okay, and in inverse trigonometry, we have now sine inverse x plus cos equals pi by 2. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. What is the condition for x? What is the condition for x?
X belongs to minus 1 to 1 close interval.
X belongs to, yes, very good. X belongs to close interval minus 1 to 1. Second, tan inverse of x plus cot inverse of x equals to pi by 2. What is the condition for x? What is the condition?
X belongs to close interval 0 to 1.
No. Think over it.
Real number.
All real numbers. X can take any real value. Inverse को करो ठीक से. Third one. sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equals to pi by 2. Condition for x belongs to where?
Real number minus open interval.
The minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity.
Same you have told both
वो भी
of you.
चलेगा।
चलेगा ना? R minus close interval करो, नहीं तो दोनों की यूनियन कर दो, वो भी चलेगा. So you can write
Both are
हाँ yes R minus close interval minus 1 to 1 और
ऐसा बंद हो गया.
minus infinity to minus 1 union with 1 to infinity. Okay? Because sec and cosec both are the reciprocals of cos and sin respectively. Getting? Okay. So next one, cos inverse of minus x. Cos inverse of minus x. जल्दी जल्दी इनवर्स को ओपन करके बैठो. चलो क्या है?
I minus cos inverse x.
हाँ,
I minus cos inverse x.
what is the condition for x here? X belongs to. This is very important.
Minus 1 to
If
1.
you are knowing the formula, but it is a 50%, but you should know from where you are taking x. Yes, Suraj, what you have told?
Minus 1 to 1.
Close or open?
Close.
Yes, very good. Minus 1 to 1. Second one, tan inverse of minus x. Tan inverse of minus x. अरे इतना टाइम लग रहा है आपको? अजिंक्य, वेयर इज अजिंक्य? अक्षय, आर्य, शिवाजी, चैतन्य, नवनीत.
Yes, present. Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
What is tan inverse of minus x? भूल गए क्या इनवर्स ट्रिगो?
Ma'am, minus tan inverse x.
Yes. What is the condition for x here?
वो नहीं पता.
वो नहीं पता. यहाँ पे देखो ना एक बार. X belongs to real numbers ना? For tan we can take ना? We can take x from real numbers. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So here x belongs to set of real numbers. Third one, sin inverse of minus x. Sin inverse of
Minus sin inverse x.
Condition for x.
Minus sin inverse x.
Minus sin inverse.
X belongs to
Minus 1 to 1.
close interval minus 1 to 1. Yes, very good. Next is sin inverse of x. We can write in the form of cosec inverse of what?
Ma'am, sin inverse x equal to cosec inverse 1 minus x square.
Huh? What? Or cosec inverse of 1 by x? यही है ना फॉर्म? क्या बोला आपने नवनीत? बराबर है ना? Sin inverse of x we can write cosec inverse of 1 by x. Yes. Now from which set we can take x? अब बताओ यहाँ पे. Yes, अथर्व. घटपांडे.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Sin inverse of x. Can we write it is equals to cosec inverse of 1 by x? Can we write?
No, ma'am.
We cannot write. See inverse trigo formulae. This all formulas we are required. We require in this differentiation. Yes, Suraj.
Yes, ma'am. We can write, ma'am. We can write.
Then X belongs to where? अरे बताओ जल्दी.
Ma'am, r minus 0.
हाँ
Ma'am, not equal to 0.
R minus 0.
नहीं, और सोचो उस पे नवनीत. कोसेक
1 to 0.
हमने
0
यहाँ
to
पे
1.
हाँ
I'm 0 not included. In minus
Ma'am,
1 to 1.
minus 1 to 1 minus 0.
नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No. In the
Ma'am,
third,
minus.
see,
Ma'am, minus.
in the third sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x, from where we have taken x, r minus close bracket minus 1 to 1. Same it will come here. Yes? Yes or no? But here we can take 1 and minus 1. Are you getting? R minus open bracket minus 1 to 1. Means this we can write minus infinity to minus 1 close bracket union with close 1 to this open infinity. ठीक है? Are you getting this? आज सारे फॉर्मूले देखो जो आपने एसपीआई में पढ़े हैं इनवर्स ट्रिगो के जितने भी है एक बार रिवाइज कर लेना आज. ठीक है? Next, cos inverse of x. Now similarly, by using this cos inverse of x equals to what? Sec inverse of 1 by x. Same, x belongs to r minus open bracket minus 1 to 1. ठीक है? Next one, tan inverse of x. How we can write? Tan inverse of x. Sixth one. In the form of cot, how we can write?
Cot inverse 1 upon x.
1 by
Cot inverse 1 by
What is the condition for x here? There are two forms we will get. Cot inverse of 1 by x और एक है. I will erase the remaining part. चलो बताओ जल्दी. Cot inverse of 1 by x और
minus
tan inverse of x is equals to cot inverse of 1 by x. x की क्या कंडीशन रहेगी यहाँ पे? सेकेंड क्या बोला? पाई माइनस किसने बोला? शिवाजी और सूरज. माइनस पाई प्लस कॉट इनवर्स आएगा ना? हाँ, माइनस पाई प्लस कॉट.
yes ma'am minus 5 plus cot inverse 1 by x.
Cot inverse 1 by x. अभी can be अभी tan इनवर्स अभी देखो यहाँ पे cot 0 डिफाइन कर सकते हैं क्या हम लोग?
No ma'am, not defined.
हाँ, तो अभी यहाँ पे ये जो x है, can we take x equal to 0 here? Can we take x 0?
No, real number minus 0.
Real number minus 0. But we have to give separate conditions here, na? R minus 0 will be there. But for positive part, for negative part, which will be there? Cot inverse 1 by x for which part? Negative or positive? चलो बताओ जल्दी जल्दी. This is very very important, ना? Inverse trigo और trigo बहुत अच्छे से करना है आपको. For x greater than 0, we have tan inverse x equals to cot inverse of 1 by x. Is it? Yes, Utkarsh. And for x
Yes, ma'am.
less than 0, minus pi plus cot inverse of 1 by x. Getting? Any doubt? ठीक है? Are you writing? Are you
Yes,
writing?
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Next type we'll see now. Next type. Now sine inverse of sine x. अभी हर बार साइन इनवर्स ऑफ साइन और साइन ऑफ साइन इनवर्स ये कैंसिल नहीं होता है, उसके लिए भी x की कंडीशन रहती है. ओके, सो इन दैट फर्स्ट विल सी साइन इनवर्स ऑफ साइन थीटा. नेक्स्ट टाइप साइन इनवर्स ऑफ साइन थीटा is equals to theta. But what is the condition for this theta angle?
मैम माइनस पाई टू
Okay,
पाई
क्या?
minus pi by 2 to pi by 2.
माइनस पाई टू
All are there
माइनस
ना?
पाई बाय 2 टू पाई बाय 2.
Yes, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus pi by 2, close interval, it will come. Pi by 2. Any doubt here? Any doubt?
नो मैम.
Next, if we'll write cos inverse of cos theta, which is equals to theta, what is the condition for this angle theta? Where it will belong? चलो जल्दी, इतना टाइम लग रहा है आपको? हाँ? Am I audible, visible both ना?
Ma'am, your voice is not that much clear.
Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Cos inverse of cos theta equals to theta. Where this theta belong?
Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2.
No.
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
माइनस पाई टू पाई.
Conditions for sin and cos are same, ma'am.
No. But not here.
Ah, yes.
Here
Minus pi
inverse
to pi. Minus pi.
inverse
माइनस
function
पाई टू
here.
पाई मैम.
हाँ?
Minus pi to pi.
नहीं.
यस मैम.
Close interval.
No. देखो ना, आपके पास होगा ना कुछ, ढूंढो उसमें, देखो बता. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये हमें अभी बोर्ड्स में भी लगने वाला है. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्म है. 0 to pi. Yes. Yes or no? Boys, see, sin inverse of sin theta equals to theta. Theta belongs to close bracket minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Cos inverse of cos theta, we can cancel both if the theta angle is in between 0 to pi. Are you getting? Now,
हाँ
tan
यस मैम.
inverse
यस मैम.
of-
0
is
टू
it
पाई.
correct? Third one, tan inverse of tan
सही है.
theta will be equals to theta. What is the condition for this theta? ये लगने वाला है हमें अभी. Now I am taking examples in that will require this. Where this theta belong? Here. चलो जल्दी बताओ. This is very very important.
Minus pi to pi.
नहीं.
जब बात.
No. Minus pi to pi नहीं आएगा. tan का ग्राफ पता है ना कैसा है? This theta will belong to open bracket minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. If you are not getting your formula, please write
Nice.
me. Minus pi by 2
2 pi by.
strictly less than theta, strictly less than pi by 2. ठीक है. Same condition for cosec theta. ठीक है. Same condition we are having for cosec inverse of cosec theta equals to theta. Here also theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now for sec inverse of sec theta, we have sec inverse of sec theta. We have fifth one. Sec inverse of sec theta equals to theta. Where this theta belong? Will it be strictly or less equal? Yes.
0 to pi.
0 to pi. Yes, very good. Strictly less than
Yes, ma'am.
0, strictly greater than 0 and less than pi. Sixth one, which is remaining? Sine,
0 to
cos,
pi.
tan, cot is remaining. Same condition for, and here one more condition is there. We have taken cosec inverse. Here theta is not equals to 0. Are you getting this? Theta is not equal to 0 here for cosec. And here theta is not equals to what? Cos 90.
Pi by 2.
Pi
Pi
by
by
2?
2.
Yes, pi by 2. Okay. Now last one. Cot. Cot inverse of cot theta is equals to theta. What is the condition for theta here? क्या आएगा बताओ जल्दी. इसको और इसका डिनोमिनेटर सेम है ना?
0 to pi not equal to 0.
हाँ? 0 to pi? Yes. Can we take 0 to pi? Okay. So here we have taken all formulae which are very, very, very important in inverse trigo also, in differentiation also. Okay. So, and we'll see now when the expressions, we'll see now two columns in which I will give the expression for the variable and what will be the substitution when we'll differentiate that. Okay. So may I erase this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write
Yes,
down.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Write down. Some, sorry. Expressions and substitution will write here. Expression and substitution. Now you can also tell me. All expression together will write a square plus x square, a square minus x square, then x square minus a square. Now here a will be any constant. Then square root of a minus x upon a plus x. Square root of a minus x upon a plus x, or this we can write square root of a plus x upon a minus x. Fifth one, square root of a square minus x square upon a square plus x square, or we can write this as a square plus x square upon a square minus x square. Okay, so we have these all 5 expressions. For this, what we can substitute, please write down with me. Now student, here if a square plus x square is there, okay, so what will be the substitution? We can put x equals to what? चलो बताओ जल्दी जल्दी.
Ma'am, A as sine and X as cos.
Substitutions means for variables, beta. For constant we cannot take. It is already fixed.
So A is constant.
Suppose a we are taking 2. So 4 plus x square. When it will come in the denominator,
Okay.
how you can, if you are having the substitution, proper substitution, then only you can differentiate it. Okay. So if we put x equals to a tan theta or x equals to a cot theta, then only you can solve this properly. Means, okay. So if we put a square plus x square equals to a square plus a square tan square theta. Okay, so we can take out a square from both. 1 plus tan square theta will be there. So can we write
Yes,
1
ma'am.
plus tan square theta as a sec square theta? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now in this you can put x equals to a sin theta or x equals to a cos theta. Please write with me. आपके पास है भी तो फिर से लिख लो एक बार. लिखेंगे तो और प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी. x square minus a square. X equals to a sec theta or we can write x equals
A
to
cosec theta.
a cosec theta. Yes. Okay. And next, for this fourth form, we can put x equals to a cos 2 theta. X equals to a cos 2 theta. Only substitution, one only. And for this here, for x square, we can put a square cos 2 theta. X square equals to a square cos 2 theta. Now we'll see the examples on this. Okay?
Ma'am,
Read out.
ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, but why we are substituting values?
Now we'll see the examples, so you will get it. See,
Okay, ma'am.
आता, for example, suppose we have dy dx of 1 upon 5 minus x square. ठीक है? Now your a square is 5. Yes? A square is
Yes,
5.
ma'am.
Huh. So if we put here, now this we are seeing. If we put root 5 sine theta, so we can take out here. So 1 minus sine square theta will be what? Cos square theta. Cos square theta, 1 upon cos square theta means sec square theta. We can easily differentiate sec square theta. Are you getting?
But
Yes
ma'am,
or
we can
no?
differentiate this function as a-
Huh?
5x
can
वरला
differentiate
5x
this function as a-
-2
also
करून
easily.
डिफरन्शिएट करू शकतो.
काय नाही. See, if we are having linear form raised to n, see 1 upon ax plus b, ये फॉर्म में अगर आपकी पावर है तभी आप यूज कर सकते हो यहाँ पे. Now 5 minus x squared is a quadratic. Now we have to differentiate. We have to use this form here. Are you getting? If you want to solve it stepwise, you have to.
क्वोशंट रूल
Uh,
क्वोशंट रूल टाकून
yes. But it will take time. Now, if you substitute the value x equals to a sin
एक
theta,
टर्म तो
it
पूरी
will be
झिरो होऊन
easy.
जाईल ना, एक सेट झिरो होऊन जाईल, पुढची येऊन जाईल.
You can solve
एक
by
साइड झिरो
using
होऊन जाईल ना.
एक टर्म 0 होऊन जाईल, डेरिवेटिव 0 मिळणार ना. Now we'll take examples. Yes, Ajinkya. We'll take examples. It will be easy then. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first example, write down, differentiate sine inverse x. Now our two types are remaining. One is differentiation with respect to another function. If one function we are differentiating with respect to another function, how we can differentiate, that form is remaining. And last one, higher order derivatives, means here only second order is given in NCERT, but we'll see higher order derivatives also. Okay, so two topics are remaining from this chapter. So for this, we'll see the examples. Write down, differentiate sine inverse of 2x square root of 1 minus x square. Question is, differentiate sine inverse of 2x square root of 1 minus x square with respect to x. चलो कैसे करोगे इसको? चलो बताओ जल्दी, कहाँ पे चले गए सब? Let me take your attendance once. चलो स्टार्ट करो वीडियो अपना, 1 सेकंड के लिए स्टार्ट करो और बंद हो जाओ. अथर्व गटपांडे, सूरज शिंदे, उत्कर्ष खैरे, अजिंक्य. यस. रिमेनिंग आर्य धर्मट्टी, अजिंक्य, अगेन अजिंक्य. Achintya Pednekar is there. Okay. Aditya Daude, have you shown your video? Chaitanya Rokde is there. Yes. Yes, Chaitanya. Aditya Daude, are you there? Akshay Apte, start your video. Ashutosh Bad, Atharva Vetar, Navneet. Are you there, Navneet? Akshay, Navneet, Atharva Vetar, Aditya Daude. 4 students are not there. Ashutosh Wad is also not there. Okay. So what is the substitution here? Now it is in the form a square minus x square. Is it clear to you? A square minus x square के फॉर्म में है ना ये?
प्रोडक्ट रूल पण लावू शकतो ना.
कुठे लावशील प्रोडक्ट रूल आता? साइन इनवर्स
साइन इनवर्स 2x 1 आणि रूट 1 मायनस x
नाही,
स्क्वेअर.
हे एकच आहे. सॉरी, साइन इनवर्स ऑफ एकच येणार ना ते. साइन इनवर्स ऑफ फक्त 2x तुम्ही ब्रॅकेट दिला असता ना. साइन इनवर्स ऑफ ती टर्म आहे पूर्ण.
मग चेन रूल लावू.
कसा?
आधी साइन इनवर्स
किती मोठं
करू
होईल ते?
1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 1 मायनस
किती
x
मोठं
स्क्वेअर.
होईल ते? किती मोठं होईल? आता सबस्टिट्यूशन बघितले ना रे उत्कर्ष?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो बताओ
Ma'am,
सूरज.
cos क्या cos? X equal to cos.
Cos नाही तर sin.
काही पण चालेल तिथे, काही पण चालेल. Put x equals to a sin
A
theta
sin
cos
theta.
theta. If we take a sin theta, what we have then? 2x root 1 minus x square will be 2a. अरे sin theta ना. 2 sin theta square root of 1 minus sin square theta. It will be 2 sin theta into cos theta. Any doubt? And can we
No,
write
ma'am.
2 sin theta equals to 2 sin cos will be sin 2 theta. So this term will be sin inverse of 2x square root of 1 minus x square will be equals to sin inverse of sin 2 theta. So it will be equals to 2 theta. If चलो बताओ अभी लिया हमने सब ये. Sin inverse of sine of angle will be the same angle if the angle belongs to where?
Ma'am, minus pi by 4 to pi by 4.
2 theta or theta you are telling me? I am asking you 2 theta.
Theta, ma'am, theta. अच्छा, 2 theta minus pi by 2 to pi by 2.
Yes. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. 2 theta. So theta will belong to where? Minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Are you getting this? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. So we are having this sin inverse of sin 2 theta equals to 2 theta if theta will be in between minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Sorry student, I have not completed the question. Write down. I forgot to write. With respect to x, if first minus 1 upon root 2 less than x less than 1 upon. Second, please, sorry, 1 upon root 2 less than x less than 1. Third one, minus 1 less than x less than minus 1 by root 2. For these three conditions, we have to differentiate the sine inverse function. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll keep this as it is, sine inverse of sine 2 theta, and now one by one we'll see now these conditions. Okay, so sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Now first one minus 1 upon root 2 less than x less than 1 upon root 2. What is x here? What is x here? Sine theta. Yes. So minus 1 upon root 2 less than sine theta less than 1 upon root 2. So theta will belong to where? Minus 1 by root 2 आ रहा है. मतलब क्या?
minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2.
नहीं ना.
मॅम हे जाईल ना pi by 4 आणि pi by 4
क्या सांग तुला? थीटा सांग.
minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4.
Minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Now we have to find it for 2 theta. So 2 theta will be in between minus pi by 2 to 2 theta to pi by 2. Are you getting? Is it visible?
मॅम
Is
तेच
it
तर सांगत
visible?
होतो.
Huh? You told
तेच तर
minus pi
सांगत
by
होतो.
2 or what?
हा minus pi by 2 to pi by 2.
No, for 2 theta, it is in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2.
2 थिटालाच तर सांगितलं का?
Okay. I think I heard theta. Sorry. I heard theta. Okay. So we have now for minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2, if x value is there, then we have 2 theta value is in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. Any doubt in this? Any doubt?
Ma'am, wait, ma'am. Ma'am, wait, ma'am, please.
Yes. This I can erase, no?
मॅम डिफरन्शिएट कसं करायचं पुढं?
आता सांगते थांबा. So we have first for minus 1 upon root 2 less than x less than 1 upon root 2, theta value is in between minus pi by 2 to theta to pi by 2. Okay. So therefore sine inverse of sine 2 theta. आता satisfy करतोय ना condition? Yes or no? Condition is getting satisfied? Condition is getting satisfied?
Yes, ma'am. Sine
Okay.
inverse.
So can we write here 2 theta equals to 2 theta? Can we write now? Yes or no, boys? Can
Yes,
we write it
ma'am.
to 2 theta? See students,
Yes, ma'am.
why I
Sine
am
2.
asking you?
Yes, ma'am. 2 theta.
Because if the angle is in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, then only we can write sine inverse of sine 2 theta equals to 2 theta. Okay, any doubt? So now for differentiating this, we have, suppose this sine inverse of 2x square root of 1 minus x square, if this is equals to y, so this will be also equal to y. Yes. Is it visible to you? Electricity is not here. Is it
Ma'am, it's
visible?
blur, ma'am. Blur,
Now-
ma'am. Blur.
Now
Ma'am, blur.
कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है क्या?
मैम ब्लर है, दिख रहा है लेकिन.
Now see. Is it okay?
Same.
जो दिख रहा है वो लिखो अभी. Y equals to
Yes, ma'am.
sine inverse of sine 2 theta equals to 2 theta. So what we have? Y equals to 2 theta. What is theta? What is theta? X equals to sine theta. So theta is sine inverse of x.
Sine inverse x.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So can we
Yes,
put
ma'am.
here now 2 into sine inverse of x? Is it correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, अभी करो डिफरेंशिएट. अभी ये बहुत इजी है यहाँ से आगे. What is the differentiation?
Two upon under root 1 minus x square.
dy by dx equals to 2 upon square root of 1 minus x square. Any doubt? Any doubt, boys?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Now this two conditions I have given, means 3 were there. Will you find the derivative?
Y equal to 2 sine inverse x. मॅम खूप डार्क आहे मॅम, दिसत नाहीये क्लिअर काय पण.
आता बघ बरं. दिसतंय का आता?
तसंच आहे मॅम.
मी रीड करते हे बघ. y equals to sine inverse of sine 2 theta equals to 2 theta. So y will be equals to 2 theta. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
So theta is sine inverse of x. Huh? So
Yes,
y
ma'am.
will
Yes,
be y will be 2 into sine inverse of x.
मॅम ते dy by dx पर्यंत केलंय सॉल्व. त्याच्या पुढे ते अभी रेंज काढले ना 2 theta belongs to.
Yes, yes.
त्याचं काय करायचंय?
Just a minute. Students, you can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So, we have now y equals to 2 theta. So, we are putting theta equals to sine inverse of x. See, why we require that interval which is given for x? We were just verifying that theta angle is in between pi by 2 or not. Then only we can take sine inverse of sine of any angle equals to that angle. Okay? ती रेंज फाइंड करायची होती की त्याच्यामध्ये आहे की नाही. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फॉर फाइंडिंग डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इज व्हेरी इझी, बट वी हॅव टू फाइंड द रेंज फर्स्ट फॉर द अँगल. आर यू गेटिंग?
Yes, ma'am. मॅम पण रेंज काढून काय भेटलं?
काय भेटलं म्हणजे आपण पुढे सॉल्व्ह करू शकलो नसतो जर रेंज नसती काढली तर. रेंज
कसं?
म्हणजे हे दिलेलं होतं की एक्स ची इंटरवल दिली होती तुम्हाला की त्या इंटरवल मध्ये असताना साइन इन्व्हर्सला डिफरन्शिएट करायचं. आर यू गेटिंग?
मग विदाउट ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक सबस्टिट्यूशन कसं केलं असतं इन रेंज?
We have to use trigonometric substitution there. If see Ajinkya, if the range is not given, suppose the question is sin inverse of 2x under root of 1 minus x square, एवढंच दिलेलं आहे तर डिफरन्शिएट तुम्ही करू शकता त्याला काही पण वापरा. But if the range is given for the x variable, then you have to use the trigonometric substitution. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so remaining two conditions, please solve for that. Tomorrow we'll take remaining questions for all trigonometry functions, inverse trigonometry functions. We'll take questions which is asked in previous year. Okay. Any doubt, boys? Here electricity
No,
is
ma'am.
not there. That's why. Okay, okay. Thank you. Abhijit sir, are you there? Abhijit sir.